Okay, so we have another question. Hi, love. After completing the course, we are still not getting jobs. It seems rare to get a job in this field. Otherwise, they ask for real time experience, but we have knowledge, though we are in a different domain. How can we get a job in this role and how can we crack it? So, Ashok has this question.
So, Ashok, I would like to defer to this because I can show you many testimonials where my learners have got multiple job offers, not even one. Let me be very clear on that. I can give you their numbers also. I can give you their company names also. I have their job offer letters also. I can give you that also. Okay. So feel free to get in touch with me. You have my number on LinkedIn. I'll send you to those people. So it's not like after completing my courses, people are not getting the job. I don't know from where you have done the course. So that is first thing. Second thing is that doing only one course will never land you a job. Try to understand that. Okay, because one course will give you an understanding about one domain. Let's be very clear on that. If you do ISO 27001, you get domain expertise on information security, right? Nothing else, that's it. But when you do ISO 22301, you get domain expertise on business continuity also. That helps you understand overall business perspective. First of all, you got the information side, now you got the business continuity side. So together they evolve you as an individual. That is the first thing. And on top of that, you need to understand the third party risk also, which is now emerging. So it's like these different courses, if you combine together, I know it's a pain for somebody to invest that much money, but that is the reason why our courses are very reasonable. Okay, you can see that if you compare with the market, I think, Jan, our courses are one third or one fourth of the pricing, right? So that is
Very
why
much,
we
very
have,
comfortable.
yeah,
Yes.
that is why we have done that, Ashok, just to make sure that people get a holistic understanding of the GRC framework. If you attend one course, if you attend two courses, nobody will actually treat you that way. Okay, you need to understand the complete picture. That's how it will help you as an individual. And after doing that, you will yourself come back and say that yes, I got a job. That is the reason. After doing one course, it's, people can get a job, but it's difficult. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so you need to be ready to basically learn more and more, because today's environment, when people are hiring, you see the job description, they want you to learn about, know about ITGC also, they want you to know about SOC also, they want you to know about HIPAA also, GDPR also. So they are expecting everything. So just to be clear on that, no, gone are the days when only depending upon ISO 27001. Those are not the days anymore. Okay, so that is where you need to understand the job market first and understand accordingly and prepare accordingly, then you land the job. That's how it will work. Yeah.
No, again, adding to this question, when we talk about completing the course, once we or any individual complete the course, if they are in a position of talking about that particular domain for about 10-15 minutes, right, that is when they can think at least they have done the course. Else, if they are not in a position to speak about that particular domain, what they have learned for a couple of days, for about 15 minutes, then no point of taking up that particular course, right? That makes very simple to answer this. Let's go for
Yeah.
next. Yeah.
Yes, I think Ashok will be satisfied with this question. So we have to, in a bunch, we have to actually learn all of these things, all the things step by step, so that it makes you job ready and it makes you easier to get multiple offers. So we have